Hello guys, don't buy Wolfbox G900 Pro Mirror Dashcam before watching this. The Wolfbox G900 Pro Mirror Dashcam is a real product that exists in 2025, 2026, and isn't a scam in the sense of being fake or non-existent. It's sold through official retailers and has genuine tech behind it. High-resolution video, built-in display, GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced sensors. However, legitimacy doesn't mean perfect. There are solid positives and notable drawbacks that help explain why some people warn don't buy before watching reviews. First, the good stuff. The G900 Pro delivers clear front and rear video, 4K front and 5K rear recording with Sony Starvis sensors, helps capture fine detail during the day and at night, which many users value for accident, evidence, or security. Large touchscreen display replacing your mirror, easy to view and control settings right on the mirror. Additional features like parking mode, GPS logging, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi make the system feel modern. Included storage. Many packages come with a 128GB microSD card, so you can start recording right away. But here's why some reviewers caution buyers to think twice before purchasing. Not a perfect mirror replacement. Because the dashcam replaces your regular mirror, the screen can reflect sunlight and glare, making it hard to use as a normal mirror in bright conditions. Installation quirks. It's heavier and bulkier than regular dashcams, and some vehicles can have fitment or visibility issues. Rear camera limitations. Physical durability concerns. Owners on forums mention potential problems like the mirror unit pulling away from mounts or delicate connections, which can cause failures if water gets into connectors. Is it a scam? No, the Wolfbox G900 Pro is a real dashcam with real features and real buyers reporting genuine footage. It's not a scam like a non-existent product or fake listing. Thank you for watching this video.